Welcome to Summarize Science. Today we are looking at a breakthrough called BlitzGS, which allows computers to create massive 3D models of cities at incredible speeds. Imagine being able to fly through a photorealistic 3D version of your neighborhood that was generated in less time than it takes to eat lunch. Normally, creating these types of digital environments is extremely slow and expensive for computers. It often takes several high-powered graphics cards hours of work to figure out where every little detail belongs. The researchers found that most of that time is actually wasted processing things that do not matter to the final image. For instance, many parts of a city are hidden behind buildings or are too far away to be seen clearly. BlitzGS solves this by using a three-layered approach to cut out all that unnecessary work. First, it uses a system called sharding to distribute the 3D data across multiple computers more efficiently than ever before. This ensures that no single processor is overwhelmed while others sit idle. Second, it identifies which parts of the 3D model are actually contributing to the scene and which are just taking up space. The system periodically goes through the model to prune away redundant data points that do not improve the image quality. This process is illustrated in the model-level diagram shown here. Third, it uses a view-level filter that stops the computer from rendering things that are blocked by other objects. This keeps the computer focused only on what the user is actually looking at in that specific moment. By ignoring what is behind the camera or hidden by a wall, it saves an immense amount of processing power. The results are quite impressive, as shown in the comparison charts in the paper. While traditional methods might take over 7 hours to process a neighborhood, BlitzGS can do it in about 35 minutes. That is more than 10 times faster than previous industry standards. Even at these speeds, the visual quality remains almost identical to the much slower alternatives. You can see how the sharp edges of buildings and the textures of the streets are perfectly preserved in the comparison table. This proves that speed does not have to come at the cost of high-quality visuals. These images highlight just how much detail is captured in such a short amount of time. The complex geometry of urban environments is rendered with incredible precision. To summarize the big takeaway, BlitzGS proves that smart data management is more important than raw processing power. By ignoring what does not matter, the researchers achieved a massive jump in efficiency. This breakthrough paves the way for truly massive virtual worlds that do not require days of waiting to build. It could revolutionize how we create maps for self-driving cars or updated digital twins for city emergency services. Thank you for watching this episode of Summarize Science.